Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever scrolled through gorgeous wallpapers online and thought, "Well, I wish I could design something like that," you're absolutely in the right place. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create an eye-catching wallpaper step by step using Canva or PixArt. Whether you want to jazz up your phone, computer, or just get creative, by the end of this video you'll have a stunning, custom wallpaper that's totally your vibe. Let's dive right in. First up, we're heading over to the Create section. This is the launchpad for all your designs. Think of it like walking into an art studio. You've got your canvas and all your tools laid out, and you get to decide exactly what you want to make. Once you're in, take a look at the search bar. This is really helpful because sometimes there are just so many options, it can get a little overwhelming. Go ahead and type in wallpaper. What this does is filter out everything else and brings up only the formats and templates meant for wallpapers. That means you won't end up with awkward cropping or sizing issues later, and your wallpaper will fit perfectly whether it's for your desktop, tablet, or phone. After you select wallpaper, you'll see a couple of paths you can take. You can either start from scratch, which is great if you really want full creative control, or my personal time-saving favorite, you can pick a template. There's absolutely no shame in using templates. They're professionally made, so you get access to tons of stunning presets, fonts, gradients, and images, all ready for you to personalize. This approach is fantastic if you're not sure where to start or if you're in a hurry. Let's say you go with a template, click on one that catches your eye. Now comes the fun part, customizing. This is really your moment to shine and make the wallpaper feel like it's truly yours. Swap out the images for your own photos or royalty-free pictures, adjust the color palette to match your aesthetic, change up the text, or add your favorite quote. Seriously, the sky's the limit here. For example, if you love beach vibes, replace any default images with a serene ocean photo and maybe go for some sandy beige and sky blue tones. Or if you want something motivational for your home screen, pick vibrant colors, punchy fonts, and add a quote like, "You've got this." Take your time here. Mess around with the elements until the whole thing just feels right to you. Sometimes it takes a few tweaks to get the balance just how you like it, and that's totally normal. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and share it. Look for the download or share button, usually found in the top right corner. Click that and choose the proper file format for your device. PNG works great for most screens, or you can even export it as a JPEG if you prefer. Your new wallpaper is ready to be used. Simply upload it to your device, set it as your background, and enjoy that personalized touch every time you unlock your screen. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you've turned your inspiration into something you can see and enjoy every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you tried it or have any questions. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy creative how-tos. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.